Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use a remote desktop connection in Windows 10. So first of all, I'm going to use AnyDesk. So there are lots of remote, you can use lots of application you can use for remote desktop connection like TeamViewer and lots of things, but I'm suggesting you guys to use AnyDesk. So after going to AnyDesk official website, now here you can see that you will have the download option available, and here you can see this is not much bigger file in case of size, so it will just easily download it. Okay, you guys need to make sure that you have downloaded this software in both of your laptop or desktop. Okay, so now here you can see this is the desktop, second desktop, okay, which I want to use, I want to handle remotely. Okay, so now here I am also downloading the AnyDesk in this desktop. Similar process. Okay, you guys can see. So it's a very easy thing to do, just okay. So this is what I'm doing is I'm just going to open. Okay, now here you can see that. Oh, and also another thing which is you must need to connect it to the internet. Okay, so now here you can see this is the desktop, this is the desktop of you want to connect remotely. So here you can see that I'm copying that code which I want to access remotely, and pasting that code or ID, whatever you say, to the main desktop from which I am actually controlling. Okay, now here you can see if you try to connect, and here you can see that there is accept. Okay, there is the this is and you need to accept that request to remotely handle the connection. Okay, so this is how you can connect to, or remotely you can use a desktop, okay, from one desktop to another desktop. Now here you can see what I am doing on the screen. Both are working very fine. Okay, so there will be a little bit of latency, so it will just it doesn't matter at all. Okay, if you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.